Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. Who was the first battle of Panipat between? Answer: Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. Next, the famous painting The Blue Boy is by? Answer: Thomas Gainsbourg. Next, which place known as Ground Zero? Answer: the World Trade Center site. Question number 4. Which country ranks first in fish production? Answer: China. Which is the longest dam in the world? Answer: Hirakud. Next question. Where is the headquarters of Asia Development Bank? Answer: Manila. Question number 7. Who wrote Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter? Answer: John Keats. Question number 8. Second atomic bomb dropped in the world? Answer: Nagasaki. Question number 9. Where was the first non-aligned conference held? Answer: Belgrade. Question number 10. The first woman to conquer Everest was born in? Answer: Japan. Next, the world's smallest republic, Nauru, is located in which ocean? Answer: Pacific. Question number 12. Pisa Tower located in which country? Answer: Italy. In which year bicycle came to India? Answer: 1890. Next, in which year 40 banks were nationalized for the first time in India? Answer: 1969. On which river bank was the battle fought between Alexander and Porus? Answer: Jhelum. Question number 16. Indian emperor who spread the Buddhism? Answer: Ashoka. Question number 17. Who gave guidance for discoveries of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro culture? Answer: John Marshall and Colonel Mackay. Question number 18. Mahavira was born in which era? Answer: BC 540. Next, in which year was the first battle of Panipat? Answer: 1526. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a moderate leader? Answer: Lala Lajpat Rai. Move to next question. When the Chauri Chaura incident took place? Answer: 1922. Question number 22. Who built the Grand Trunk Road? Answer: Sher Shah Suri. Next, which year was the Kalinga War of Emperor Ashoka? Answer: BC 261. Question number 24. Who is the founder of Slave Dynasty? Answer: Qutb Uddin Aibak. Question number 25. Which dynasty ruled from Warangal? Answer: Kakatiya dynasty. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and also enable bell icon. See you soon.